Council tax premiums. And do you know what is coming in on the 1st of April? Hey guys, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm over here, as you might be able to hear, there's lots of rain going on, so rather than do my direct to vendors today, I figured I'll make this quick video to just quickly give you a quick tip on changes with council tax, which is a very important subject because as a property investor, developer, you will end up paying council tax, and the changes are quite relevant to yourself. So what's actually happening on the 1st of April? Well, there's been some changes with the council tax legislation, and if you guys are not aware of it, basically a house that's empty for a prolonged period of time, the council can actually put on a council tax premium on the actual house itself, which basically means that you'll be paying additional council tax on top of what you originally paid. So the reason for this is that councils are always trying to make it so that empty houses are not empty, so they're in use. So any empty houses that actually is logged onto the system for whatever reason, they are allowed to charge you this premium. Now prior to this, the waiting period for when this premium is actually applied on is 2 years, which is 24 months. But come the 1st of April, that premium date is gonna be shortened. So the new dates would be for 12 months. So basically you have 1 year's time since going onto the system for you to do something about it. Otherwise you'll be hit with 200% council tax, which is a lot, essentially. And the reason why this has come to my notice was one of my properties that I actually purchased last year on the renovations. What I haven't done is let the council know that we have new tenants moving into the property. So I had a letter the other day about the council tax and the fact that I need to pay 200% of my council tax for this one property, which obviously is going to be an issue because you're turning effectively what is a bill of £120 a month to £240, which obviously hits into your cash flow and is a lot more money to be given out to the council, particularly if it's not something that is necessarily your fault in this sense. So any empty houses that you buy as well, the time it starts from when it's empty is also during the period when it's actually registered with the council. So it's not the fact that once you buy it you have 12 months to do something with it. If that allocation has been used by the previous owner, so let's say the house is empty from the previous owner and the council knows about it, then the time would already be ticking. So potentially you could be buying a property that already has the 200% council tax premium tag on it, which you really can't do much besides inform the council if you are undergoing a renovation, and which means that it's not usable. So you can contact your council about this and let them know. They might do something about it, they might put a flag next to it, or they might actually direct you to the VOA to argue the toss, basically. So it depends on council to council. I think the VOA is most likely what they'll do because council tax and valuations are two different things with the valuation office. So I think it's a good idea to get clued up on this, because if you don't know, you could be hit with a massive council tax bill out of the blue after you purchase the property and it's undergoing renovation. So that's just a quick property reminder, property tip from myself. Hopefully you've learned something new here. I definitely did, and I managed to get my premium removed, which is fantastic, and it means I'm not paying double council tax for no reason. So hopefully this has helped. If it has, feel free to like the video, share it with someone that doesn't know, and yeah, if it has affected you, let me know in the comments how you're going about with removing the council tax premiums. I'm always interested to know what you guys do, and as always, I'll see you guys again soon.